Okay, second video. So this is one patio around a pool that's like 25 by 6. Another 40 plus 20, 70 times 10, and another 15 times 20. That's that area. Then we have 30 feet by 15 foot area. Another 30 by 30 foot area. Another 30 by 30 foot area. Now this area actually looks like it's already been fixed, so you don't have to touch this area. Let's take a look at this area one more time. Yeah, this is the area that needs to be fixed. So, and this area you won't have to touch. It looks like it's been fixed. And but just so you know, this has been fixed somewhat recently. You could probably just touch up this one little piece here that's cracked. And you'll see that the new cement versus old cement. Plus, if it's not done right, you'll get the bleeding into the stone like you have here. You end up having to use the right mix of cement with the type N cement, and that fixes that issue, what you see right now. Okay, and there's obviously another little piece here that potentially could get fixed. Let's look at the front of the house for masonry related. So in the front of the house is just this one little spot here. This is about 13 feet by 8 feet. This one spot here. And it looks like this is in good shape. So you don't have to touch anything up here. So again, it's just this one section, which is right here. And that's it.